Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day theme chip bag. So first, let's go ahead and get rid of the nutrition facts. It's not a birthday, it's Valentine's Day. Alright, let's go ahead and put that there. And what do I want? Okay, we'll use this for the first bag. Okay. Alright, we're going to use the hearts. And I just want this for my background. So let me go to crop. And crop it down a little bit more so it can fit in that box right there. Then of course we are going to copy and paste this to the other side. Now let's go ahead and flip it. So go to format and let's flip it horizontally. And bring it down. Now let's send it back. Push it back behind everything. Okay. Okay, so we got that. Let's go ahead and insert a shape. Because we don't want these, that box to be there. We do not want that to show. So let's just go ahead and make that white, no outline. I needed to cover up these lines. Alright, it did it. Alright, now let's go ahead and insert a rectangle for a border. Alright, we don't want no outline. Now, do we want this red or pink? Let's go with red for right now. So let's go ahead and copy that. Paste this up here at the top of the chip bag. And look at this. The Valentine's Day chip bag is already coming together. You could go ahead up. Let's bring this forward. Yeah, at this time, we pretty much done, y'all. Like, do you see how easy that was? That was so easy. Okay, now on the back, let's insert our letters. Let's go ahead and say happy, where's it? Happy Valentine's Day. Let's space it. Let's say from. All right, let's say that. Now let's do the. I have no idea what color letters to put. White letters, red letters, black. I don't know. Okay, let's see what this looks like. I have no idea. No, let's do some pink font. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Okay, so as you can see, you don't really need much. And then, of course, I would probably put like a Hello Kitty right here also. But you could take the same chip bag, and if you wanted to, you could also just go ahead and put another character on it. Let's bring her forward. And bam, it now fits her. But if you don't like the red, you just go to format. Let's go to recolor. Let's go ahead and change these hearts to pink. It's not that big of a deal. Look at that. It now matches Fluttershy. Let's go to formats, recolor, bam. And your chip bag now like I said, it matches Fluttershy. If you want to change the border to that, she's a light yellow. Let me see what color yellow that is. She's like a light yellow. You get what I'm saying, god dang it. You can change it to fit her. Or too girly. Okay, let's throw in the turtles. Where you at? Let me bring you forward. And of course, these images, I'm going to put them on Patreon. Alright, let's go ahead and change the colors. Not that green, that's an ugly green. Okay. No, we don't even gotta do green. Let's do black. Now let's change the hearts to maybe, let's change them back to red. Back to the original color. And there you go. You got one for boys. You can take this out. Bring this forward, of course. And I mean, you can do this for all characters. You know, any character, do it, change it. Bring it forward. Where you go? And then let's say we don't want this background. Take you out. Bring you in. Nice. See how that's just so stretched out? Like, I really don't, I don't like that. So I'm going to go ahead and take this, probably that right there. That looks so much better. Or I could just maybe stretch it. Will it stretch? Let's see what it looks like. Okay, I guess not bad. Let's send it back. Nope, I don't like it. Get rid of it. Let's bring these hearts in. I think these hearts look a lot better. And then send it back. There you go. And just, let's make that an image, shall we? Let's merge them all together. Group. Now let's copy. Let's put it over here. Let's push it back. These words, let's do, I guess, let's do them black. Change this to a light pink. Ew, no, that is terrible. Can I get like a different pink? That's, ugh. Okay. Okay, that's better. Much better. But yeah, just just play around with it. I mean, it's so many things you can do. Send back. Send back. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and insert some font. Hmm. I mean, just simple stuff like that. So these images will be on my Patreon page. I will also have some Valentine's Day chip bags up on my website that you can just download if you like. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.